Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you through the 10 best places to visit in Hong Kong, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a local looking for new spots, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned as we explore each location one by one, sharing tips and must-see highlights. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the video, subscribe for more travel guides, and drop a comment letting us know which place you're most excited to visit in Hong Kong. Let's get started. One, Victoria Peak, Hong Kong's highest point at 552 meters, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city's skyline, Victoria Harbour, and distant islands. A top tourist attraction, it features the Peak Tower, Sky Terrace 428, and nature trails. The Peak Tram, a historic funicular since 1888, provides a scenic ride up. Visitors can enjoy shopping, dining, and the tranquil Lugard Road lookout. Best visited at sunset, it showcases Hong Kong's dazzling nightscape. A must-see for travelers, Victoria Peak blends urban beauty with natural charm, making it an iconic destination. Two, the Tian Buddha, or Big Buddha, is a 34-meter tall bronze statue on Lantau Island. Completed in 1993, it symbolizes harmony, wisdom, and compassion. Seated atop a lotus on a three-tiered platform, the statue faces north, overlooking the Chinese people. Visitors climb 268 steps to reach it and enjoy stunning views. Nearby, the Lin Monastery offers a spiritual retreat. The site also features the Wisdom Path, a peaceful trail with wooden pillars inscribed with Buddhist prayers. A major cultural and religious landmark, it attracts pilgrims and tourists alike. 3. The Star Ferry is a historic ferry service in Hong Kong, operating since 1888. It connects Hong Kong Island, Central and Wan Chai, with Kowloon, Tsim Sha Tsui, offering stunning views of Victoria Harbour. Known for its affordability and charm, the short ride provides a unique perspective of the city's skyline. The ferry operates daily, with night cruises showcasing Hong Kong's dazzling lights. A symbol of the city's maritime heritage, it remains a popular attraction for tourists and a convenient transport option for locals. 4. Lian Garden is a serene Chinese classical garden in Kowloon, designed in the Tang Dynasty style. Spanning 3.5 hectares, it features meticulously landscaped greenery, koi ponds, waterfalls, and traditional wooden structures. Highlights include the iconic Golden Pavilion, the Ziwu Bridge, and the tranquil Blue Pond. Adjacent to the Chi Lin Nunnery, the garden offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle. Visitors can enjoy a tea house, a vegetarian restaurant, and an exhibition hall showcasing Chinese architecture. It's a must-visit for nature lovers and those seeking tranquility. 5. Hong Kong Tramways, known as the Ding Ding, is a historic double-decker tram system operating since 1904. Running along Hong Kong Island from Kennedy Town to Shau Kei Wan, it offers an affordable and scenic way to explore the city. The trams provide a nostalgic experience, passing through bustling districts like Central, Wan Chai, and Causeway Bay. With open windows and a slow pace, they offer a unique perspective of Hong Kong's urban landscape. Popular with both locals and tourists, the trams remain an iconic part of the city's public transport system. 6. Tsim Sha Tsui is a vibrant cultural and shopping district in Kowloon. Known for its stunning Victoria Harbour views, it features attractions like the Avenue of Stars, the Hong Kong Cultural Centre, and the Museum of Art. Nathan Road, the Golden Mile, is lined with luxury shops, street markets, and diverse dining options. The Star Ferry Terminal connects TST to Hong Kong Island, offering scenic rides. At night, the Symphony of Lights show illuminates the skyline. A bustling hub of entertainment, history, and nightlife, TST is a must-visit destination. 7. Ngong Ping 360 is a scenic cable car ride on Lantau Island, Hong Kong, connecting Tong Chung to Ngong Ping. Spanning 5.7 kilometers, the 25-minute journey offers breathtaking views of the South China Sea, lush mountains, and the Tian Buddha. The Crystal Cabin option features a glass floor for a thrilling experience. At Ngong Ping Village, visitors can explore cultural attractions, shops, and restaurants. The ride provides access to Palin Monastery and the Wisdom Path. A top tourist attraction, Ngong Ping 360 combines adventure with stunning natural and cultural sights. 8. The Peak Tram is a historic funicular railway in Hong Kong, operating since 1888. It provides a scenic and steep ride from the city's central business district to Victoria Peak, the highest point on Hong Kong Island. The tram ascends at a gradient of up to 27 degrees, offering breathtaking views of the skyline, Victoria Harbour, and the surrounding mountains. It's one of Hong Kong's oldest and most iconic attractions. The Peak Tram is a must-do experience for visitors, combining heritage with stunning vistas, making it a popular way to reach Victoria Peak for sightseeing. 9. Dragon's Back is one of Hong Kong's most famous hiking trails, offering breathtaking views of the coastline, lush mountains, and the South China Sea. Part of the Hong Kong Trail, this 8.5 kilometers hike is known for its rolling ridges resembling a dragon's spine. The moderate trail leads to Shek O Peak, where hikers can enjoy panoramic views before descending to Big Wave Bay for a relaxing beachside finish. Easily accessible from the city, Dragon's Back is perfect for nature lovers and adventure seekers looking to escape Hong Kong's urban hustle and explore its scenic beauty. 10. The Avenue of Stars is a waterfront promenade in Tsim Sha Tsui, honoring the city's film industry and its stars. Inspired by Hollywood's Walk of Fame, it features handprints and plaques of famous actors, directors, and producers from Hong Kong cinema. The avenue offers stunning views of Victoria Harbour and the Hong Kong skyline. Visitors can enjoy statues of film legends like Bruce Lee and watch the nightly Symphony of Lights show, which illuminates the skyline. A cultural and scenic landmark, the Avenue of Stars celebrates Hong Kong's cinematic legacy and attracts both tourists and film fans.